The power cord passes through the strain reliever as it goes into the tool's handle. The strain reliever gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The strain reliever is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the strain reliever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cap from the motor. I'll also remove the wires from the switch. Now I can remove the cord from the router. First, I'll remove the grounding wire. Next, the two screws that secure the cord clamp. And now I need to cut away the connector that secures the white cord wire to one of the red motor wires. As I cut this crimping connector away, I want to lose as little of the wire length as I can, so I'll cut within the connector itself. There's a Ziploc tie that secures the wires. I'll cut that away. And now I can pull the cord away from the router. Now I'll remove the old strain reliever from the cord. Now I can install the new strain reliever. The large terminal on the end of the black wire won't fit through the strain reliever, so I'm going to have to cut it off and replace it. This will have to be ordered separately. I'll cut through the terminal itself so I don't lose any of the wire length. Now I'll place the new strain reliever over the wires. And I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from the black wire and about 3/8 from the white wire. Here I have the new terminal. You may notice a strip of metal on the end of the terminal. This is just used in manufacturing. I'll go ahead and cut it off. I'll place the terminal on the black wire and crimp it in place. To install the cord, first I'll need to strip back the red wire from the router motor that we cut earlier. I'll strip this back about 3/8 of an inch. Now I'll thread the black wire from the cord behind this metal brace. I'll go ahead and reinstall the ground wire with the screw. And I'll bring the white cord wire together with the red wire from the motor. I'll twist the wires together, trim them flush, and secure them with a new crimping cap. Now I'll place the strain reliever in the hollow within the casting and reinstall the cord clamp. As I install the cord clamp, I want to make sure that I have some of the outer insulation on the cord beneath the clamp. I have a new cable tie that I'll use to secure the black and red wires to the metal post. Now reconnect the wires to the switch. First, the black wire, and then the red. And now I can reattach the cap. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new strain reliever on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.